Hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in southwest London and today going to show you this fantastic Kite pre-designed combination store. So our pre-designed Kite is our most popular building now. This particular one is 5.4 metres wide and 3.7 metres deep. It's one of 35 sizes. Got the additional store to the left you can see there. Show you that in a minute, but that's a special size. We've done that 2.2 metres. Really wanted to max out the garden width. Small gap down the right hand side for us to be able to get around, and actually got a space around there for climate control in the future. All the standard Kite pre-designed elements you would imagine. So that's got the 10-year guarantee, MTX to the front, cement board to the back and both sides, with the UPVC windows. The upgrades on this particular building are that lovely smoky glass. That's called anti-sun grey, and that's also got the integrated blinds. That's blinds inside of the unit, so that reflectiveness you can see here is from the anti-sun grey, but then you've also got the blinds used as a multi-purpose family room, but absolutely daily being used by the client for his Zwift interaction. And this is a great way of using a multi-purpose room. This is what I love about a building like this. So quite an open space at the moment, not much very furnished because we have only recently done it, but you say used daily through the internet and the Zwift there all set up, but also got the lounge in there as well, kids playroom. So it's going to grow into having more and more usage within this room, but wanted to show you this setup today. All the usual things from us. That's the V200 cladding, heating, lighting, sockets, internet, everything provided and installed by us on one of our steel and timber frame bases as well. Yeah, just a really lovely building. The 2.2 store that's 3.7 deep. How fantastic is that? Loads and loads of space there. Uninsulated, of course, that keeps the price down. Ventilated because of that. That's them holes in the back. They've actually got vents in them, and that makes sure there's no condensation in there. But just a lovely big garden store and a lovely building that, despite being a pre-designed building, it looks completely custom made for this particular property. Yeah, so there you go. That's our Kite pre-designed combination store. 5.4 but 3.7 with that 2.2 additional store. Please like, subscribe, let us know your thoughts on this product and how the client's using it. Say maybe I'll come back in 6 months time and they've had this for longer and there'll be much more personalised inside, but hopefully this inspires you. Thanks for listening. Thank you.